Welcome back to another winter truck camping video. We are at Mount Hood right now, and it's a long drive from the house, and I'm surprised we got here with any daylight at all, but we got here. I just got to the place we're gonna camp for the night. It's like a snow park, and there's supposed to be a snowstorm tonight. We're supposed to get some fresh snow overnight, but yeah, so we're gonna ride tomorrow, but we need to get this. I'm trying to find the flattest place I can. I think I found it. So let's pop this camper, and then been driving for like 4 hours, so kind of want to get dinner going. But let's get camp set up. We just kind of want to make sure everything's cool where we're at. I'm honestly thinking this is probably as flat as we're gonna get, so I'm gonna turn the truck off. Can you guys see that? That's the moon. Look at this. Mount Hood. Haven't been to Mount Hood in a long time. Super stoked that we found camp with even just a little hint of light left. Let's go get cozy in the camper and get dinner going. Got the heater going. It's a little hot. Had to take my coat off. And this is the system we got going on. We just got our lifesaver. We got this stuff, bed set up. So we got camp kind of set up. I might just sit down for a second, and then we'll get dinner going. I'm officially starving. Let's get dinner going. The instructions say to just cover it for 4 minutes. So I am going to set an alarm. I am 4 minutes, and then we'll check it and stir it. And I already threw the directions away, so we're gonna improvise from there. Oh snap! I don't got a whatchamacallit. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but it's looking pretty good. I'm kind of like I like these like quick meals when we're in the camper, you know, keeping dishes to a minimum. I realize that I don't have a hot thing for that pan top thing, so I'm gonna need to get one of those ASAP. Bon appetit. Usually I do Trader Joe's pre-made meals, but I was at Walmart and we were running late, so I just got what I could, but let's try it. All right, we got a Sprite this time too. All right, Sprite hit the spot. Let's see about this P.F. Chang's noodles, you know what I'm saying? The Trader Joe's pre-made stuff is just hard to beat. This is okay. It's nothing I would buy again or write home about, you know what I'm saying? Dishes are all done, and it's what time? 6:53, and it's supposed to start snowing soon. So it's dark outside, but if it starts snowing, we're gonna go show it to you. Y'all, do I look like I just got done playing video games? I just spent the last hour on my phone going through YouTube comments. So, and I'm hot, dude, so I think I need to turn the heater down. Yo, it says it's snowing. I feel it, but just when I shut the door. It's dark. Dark, I just can't see anything, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see that? Showing snow tomorrow, but you hear that? I'm pretty sure you can't hear snow, so that sounds like rain. As it gets colder tonight, hopefully that turns to snow. It's dark out, I can't see anything. So we'll all go check it out tomorrow. But we're staying nice and warm and cozy in here right now, though. I think I actually might lay down and go to bed here soon, and that way we can get after the day tomorrow early is kind of what I'm thinking. But see how it goes. See if anything develops. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Camera fell. Oh no. Alright, well, back to bed I go. It's the middle of the night. It's cold. Got an error code. I'm gonna have to look that up. Heater broke. This freaking heater is ridiculous, man. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I think maybe it's just out of propane. So I'm gonna change the tank. It's cold out there and raining. I think it's raining. We're just gonna man up and change that. You know what I'm saying? We can't be cold. Same code, E2H. I'm not sure that I told you what it means, but it means there's air in the line. So I'm burning the stove, try and prime the lines. I'm gonna try and kick the heater back on. Winter camping with an unreliable heater, which this isn't necessarily the heater's fault. I ran out of propane, so I can't talk too bad right now. It's just giving me the same error. I think it's working. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm not sure if you can tell, but this isn't cool. I'm gonna try and go back to sleep now. I'll see you in the morning again. See that? No snow, just rain. I'm gonna be honest right now. This trip might be a bust. So we're at Mount Hood, we're at Timberline. The forecast was showing snow. I showed you last night, it showed that it was snowing. It's pouring rain. The reason we're here is Timberline has this 3-day like special package you can buy on Cyber Monday, where you can basically get 3 days of snowboarding for like the price of less than 1 day. They only sell it for 1 day. And I usually buy it every year, and that's pretty much the only time I usually go snowboarding every year. Anyways, the snow's been really terrible this year, and season's almost over, and I haven't gone once, and I don't want to waste the money. So when I seen that it was snowing over here, I was like, okay, it'd be the perfect time to just zip over, use one of those tickets. But here's the deal. If it was just dumping rain all night last night, that means that it's going to be ice. And if you've been on my channel before, you know that I don't like to ride on ice. It's dangerous. It's just not worth it. So this trip might be a bust, is what I'm getting at. We might have just drove 4 hours for no reason to drive 4 hours home for no reason. So the one thing we do have going for us is that we're not at the ski resort right now. We're down at the bottom of the hill. So it could have been snowing up there at higher elevation while it was raining here. So we're at least gonna go check it out, right? So we're gonna do our coffee, eat breakfast. I think that water's boiling. And then we're gonna go up there and see if it snowed or rained up there, and then make our call. So, but it ain't looking good, you know what I'm saying? Well, it's about to will. Boiling now. I need a hot pad, dude. I'm feeling like it might start raining again, so I'm thinking that we should kind of clean up, get the truck packed up, finish what we need to do here, so if it does start raining, we don't gotta pop or drop the top in the rain. And then we'll head up to the resort and see if there's snow up there or not. I think that's the plan. I really don't like rushing these days, but I really don't want to put the top down in the rain either. What's going on there? There's a microphone in the middle of the woods. If you guys don't know, I'm a musician and I started my music career again recently. And while I'm out here in the snow on location, It's like I might as well film a promo. So if you want to see that promo, head over to the music channel, link in the description. Let's get back to your regularly scheduled content. Gonna go get some gas and head up to the lodge and see if we're riding today or not. Y'all see this? It changed to snow. We're not even to the lodge yet and it already changed to snow, so this is a good sign.